Money time. Suppose that you got $1,000 and you invested at 8%. Interest is compounded continuously. So that means that you're supposed to be using the PERT formula. So the P is the beginning principal. The R is the interest rate. And then T will be time. And in this, time is in years, because you're not going to make 8% in a day. It's going to be a year. So first of all, the formula is take the principal of $1,000, e to the 0.08t. Now plug in a 10. So 1,000 e to the 0.0810 1,000 e to the 0.08 times 10. So that means that if you're getting paid 8% interest, then after 10 years, the account is going to be worth $2,025.54. Then for the derivative. So for the derivative, it's going to be the same function, but then we need to do the chain rule. So the derivative of the e function is the e function. And then do the chain rule. The derivative of this is 0.08, so multiply by 0.08. And then when you substitute in a 10, that's basically going to take the last number that we just had and multiply it by a 0.08. So this part is already that part. I just need to multiply it by a 0.08. So then multiply. So if you just hit multiply, it'll take this and plug it in for you. Multiply by a 0.08. So what this means is, this one means after 10 years, that's how much money is going to be in the account. And then this shows you how fast it's growing per year. So the account grows by $178.04 per year after 10 years. It's free money. Now, what about the second derivative? So for the second derivative, that would be take the first derivative and take the derivative again, which means it's going to be the exact same thing, but you have to do the chain rule again. So there's going to be another 0.08 over here. So it'll be the same function. And then the first time we did it, we had the chain rule. The second time you take the derivative, you have the chain rule again. And then plug in 10. Now, of course, this part was our last answer, and then we're going to multiply that by 0.08. So if I just say multiply by 0.08, then I've multiplied by 0.08 twice. It's the same as that. And then that equals $14.24. So this is how much the account is worth after 10 years. This is how fast it's growing after 10 years. And it's going to be growing by even more the next year and even more the next year. And then this is telling you how fast it's accelerating. So the growth rate, so this growth rate right here, that you're getting an extra $178.04, that growth rate itself is going to be even bigger the next year and even bigger the next year. So the growth rate is accelerating by $14.24 per year when time equals 10 years. So look, if I go back and I change this to an 11, and then I multiply that by 0.08. So notice, so this is saying the 11th year, how much extra money are you going to get? So you're going to be getting 192. So the 10th year, you're getting 178. The 11th year, you're getting 192. So it's accelerating by an extra $14.24.